Hi everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. Today we would like to share the information about how to take care of the gift you receive during the holiday season. One of the tree, procumbens juniper, this is the very popular gift as the bonsai in the market. This is the one of the kind of the tree they make it a bonsai. This is called procumbens juniper. In Pacific Northwest or in United States, a lot of people receive most likely this kind of bonsai and didn't have information or misunderstood. We would like to share our knowledge with you, tell you how to take care the procumbens juniper. Firstly, procumbens juniper, this is an outdoor plant. Never grow this kind of the bonsai in indoor. That's not going to work. The idea is same like why we not grow the Christmas tree indoor, because Christmas tree, conifer is also outdoor plant. They cannot grow in indoor. Of course, you can display for a couple days, but not suggest for grow for the whole season and will be problem. Whatever you grow, indoor or outdoor bonsai, which is the container pot like this, you need to understand there's a three basic conditions: temperature, lighting, and water. So talking about the temperature, our native plant, we are in Pacific Northwest right here. We have 4 different seasons, so every season have own duty. We're talking about the winter time right now, and because the plant need to go to the cold temperature to get the dormant season, and you have to carefully why this plant they cannot grow indoor, because they need to have the one season is called winter, is a dormant season. We have 4 different seasons in Pacific Northwest and some of the country. Of course, you go down to the Southeast Asia or you go to the Hawaii, it's different season like us in Pacific Northwest. So if you have 4 different seasons, then you have to grow 4 different seasons for the plant. So they have a spring, summer, fall, and winter. What the winter does, they need to go to the cold temperature, close to freezing, then go to the dormant, and the plant will be looks different. They're not going to look green like this. This is the plant when the dormant will be look like this right here. You see the, because this is put the outdoor, got the frost. But looking at a lot of people think, oh, my plant is dying, but looking at the bottom, they're still green. Okay, they will come back green like this again. Probably springtime in Seattle area will be like a late February, and also start from late February, March, they start the green again. That's why the plant they not recommend for indoor, because the indoor will be only summer at your home in general in Pacific Northwest right here. You probably question why this plant's a green, this one's a dormant. Not all the plant coming like look like this in the same time. It depends on where you display. This plant is definitely undercover. They probably go into dormant later and turn brown like this too, at least not active green like this. What happened if you keep the plant in indoor? Okay, not going to happen like a 2 days, 3 days, even the one couple months, they're still green, nice. But down in the road after the winter time, springtime, because you're waking up the tree during winter time, you keep it indoor. So the springtime, they don't have energy or less energy to recover. Then the plant step by step became like this. And of course, this is the 2 different, but look alike, but is the different. At the bottom also is no green. And this plant is the example a customer bringing in. They keep it indoor for a couple months, 6 months, so they look like this easily. Of course, there's another reason, probably they not water plant correctly, also turn like this color too. This is the dead plant, and this plant is called damaged.
Yeah, when it's trying to go dormant and you bring it indoors, you're pretty much forcing it to stay awake while it's trying to sleep, and it's gonna run out of energy.
Number 2, lighting condition. No plant can grow without the natural light, procumbens juniper, that's a typical one, or conifer. You need to grow either under cover or full sun, but carefully during the summertime, full sun sometimes does damage the soil because get dry out. If you not water regularly, will be damage the plant too.
Yeah, if you grow the juniper in the summer under shade, you get a darker green. If you grow it in direct sunlight, it's a lighter green.
Number 3, water. Water your plant. Never let the soil completely dry out. If you're interested to know how to water, and click on here the link. So we have a video.
Up here, wrong link.
Yep.
Right here.
So we have a video to talking about how to water your plant and never let the soil completely dry out. There's more information on the link of our past video. Welcome to take a look. Of course, you're welcome make a comment or ask any question. We will share the information with you. There's a common question people asking how much water and how to water, or even they say I touch the soil right here. Most important, when you purchase the bonsai or you receive the bonsai, check it out. The bottom has to be hole in the bottom. That's for the drainage system very well. So you have no problem with overwater. If you have a nice combination of the soil mix, they will drain it out. So you have no problem with overwater. Remember, you have to water the plant. Not only water this corner, not only water, make sure all the soil can evenly get the moisture. That's very important.
And if you click here, you can see what we put in our soil as well too.
Okay, so this is information again: temperature, light, and water. Study this three. Water accident, that's probably more than 90% people didn't water the plant. They think, oh, I'm go away for 3-4 days. That's not, sometimes not going to help. Of course, if you put that outside in Seattle, we get the rain, so you probably physically not water, not necessarily water daily, but the plant get the water from the rain. That's quite different. But it's not mean, oh, you don't need to water the plant. It is, you don't need to water the plant if the plant get the water from the rain, something like that. Then you can consider that to skip the water schedule, but they still need the water. Remember, never let the soil completely dry out. Some people always say, oh, I overwater. There's no overwater problem beside if you don't have a hole in the bottom, that you will be putting your plant in the swimming pool, the plant going to damage and no oxygen. That's why the plant step by step is to get the bad quality. On the side of our display right here, this is the pumice rock. Pumice rock, they can reserve the moisture by themselves. We will drill a hole right here, plant the plant like this, but we still have the drainage system somewhere on the hole on the side.
Oh, yep, there's drainage holes right there.
Yeah, so we still need the drainage system right there because this is display outside. You get the rain, you don't want the bucket like this with a lot of water like that. But pumice, they will drain the water pretty fast than considered than the other. So again, water is the most important technique you need to understand. If this is your first bonsai, actually the first thing you need to learn is display, where you're going to display. Not all the bonsai they can grow in indoor. This is native plant. You're probably watching some movie, some TV, or some advertising. They put the bonsai indoor. We're just using the juniper. That's not correct way. Or they put it in the bonsai last night after the meeting. They take it out immediately after the meeting done, like 1 or 2 days. They think they cannot grow that juniper or any pine tree, maple tree grow in indoor. That's impossible. You probably see a lot of meeting in Asia, like a government meeting. They always put the bonsai as a background, as a decor. It's not mean that plant growing right there. You can mention that meeting room is no window. That's impossible to grow bonsai, but it's nice to have the display on the background. That bonsai actually did display a lot of decor company. They're going to bring the bonsai in for display for the next day meeting, and after the meeting done, maybe 1 or 2 days, they're going to take it out, but not mean the plant can grow indoor. Don't misunderstand by yourself. Even in the movie, you can see the people put the bonsai inside, so they like the juniper or pine, because those people maybe have less knowledge or didn't have information about the bonsai. They just pick it up and put it there. But don't misunderstood. Don't copy that idea, because they in the movie industry is quite different than our plant industry. We hope this information can help you to take care of your plant. Even you get a gift from someone, or you grow your own, or you have the own collection. This information is very common. People asking the question, we want to share with you. Please stay with us, and every Friday we posted a new video and different information. If you think this is if you like our information, you can click the like, you can subscribe, share with your friend. We appreciate your time and looking forward to see you soon.